Pocket check, bro.
Say what now?
Bro, are you telling me you don't know what pocket check is? Like, just take stuff out of your pocket and check your EDC gear. I'm just curious what you're carrying.
Okay. That's. I mean, I've got my cell phone. I left my wallet in the glove box. I got my little flashlight. I got a um, Oxworks Osprey pocket knife, just folding knife. That's it. That's all I got.
Oh, that's all you got? What are you, lame or something? Man, that's it? You carried three things? You don't even have your wallet?
Talking about, I got my knife, I got my phone, and I got my flashlight. What else do I need? I don't even need my wallet right now. What are you carrying?
Bro, let me show you. Come over to this conveniently placed table out here in this random area outside. Bro, let me walk you through it. So I got my left hip pocket carry, and then I got my right front pocket back carry, and I got my right front pocket front carry, then I got my left front pocket back carry, and I got my left front pocket front carry, then I got my fifth pocket knife, then I got my challenge coin, and I have my knuck, and I have my bottle opener, I got my lighter, I got my pry bar, I got my multi-tool, I got my money clip, I got my wallet, and I got my phone. So man, oh, I forgot. I got my left back pocket flashlight and my left front pocket flashlight. So yeah, bro, what are you, lame? You don't have enough stuff.
I mean, I guess that's cool, but I really got a question. How do you keep your pants up?
Oh man, thanks for saying something. I almost forgot my knife belt.
Kyle, I'm gonna ask you to do everyone a favor and just, never have kids.